Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite tools for building consistency, and it's called habit stacking. And this idea comes from James Clear's best-selling book, Atomic Habits, which is all about creating small, powerful changes that compound over time. And the core idea behind habit stacking is simple. We're going to pair a new habit onto something you're already doing. And we all have habits already. So the trick is learning how to use them as leverage. So think of it like a formula. After you do a current habit, you will do the new habit. And why does this work? It works because it takes the guesswork out of when to do the habit. It gives your brain a trigger or a cue to act, and it builds on your current routine, which is already automatic. So how the brain builds habits is our brain loves routines. Once something becomes automatic, we don't have to think about it. It's like brushing your teeth or locking the door. By linking a new behavior to one that already exists, we take advantage of how the brain already works. Instead of starting from scratch, we stack. And this is important because when you're busy or overwhelmed, willpower and motivation won't always be there. So let's look at a few examples you might relate to or want to try with your fitness or your nutrition goals. So here are some fitness examples. After I brush my teeth, I will do 10 squats. Or after I put my gym clothes on, I will start my workout. Or after I fill my water bottle in the morning, I will stretch for 2 minutes. Some nutrition examples could be, after I make my morning coffee, I will drink 16 ounces of water. Or after I unload the dishwasher, I will prep my protein snack. Or after I make my dinner, I will log my food before eating. Some mindset or wellness examples would be, after I sit down at my desk, I'm going to write down one thing I'm grateful for. Or after I turn off the TV at night, I will lay out my clothes for tomorrow. So let's build your own habit stack. So first, you want to identify a habit that you already do daily. It should be something that's automatic, like brushing your teeth, starting your coffee, checking your phone, washing your face. And step 2 would be choosing a small new habit you want to implement. So think simple, like a glass of water, one set of squats, a stretch, logging one meal, one journal prompt. Step 3 is you're going to put it all together using the formula. So after I do this current habit, I will do this new habit. So for example, after I brew my coffee, I will fill my water bottle and drink it. The tip is to stack only one new habit at a time because small wins build momentum. So now take a minute to write down your first habit stack. So here's some common pitfalls, and I'm going to tell you how to fix it. So here's one pitfall. You can pick a habit you don't do consistently yet. So make sure your anchor habit is rock solid and already automatic. Pitfall 2 would be you pick a habit that's too big. You need to scale it down, and you can always do more, but commit to the minimum. Pitfall 3 would be you forget to do it. So you want to use a visual cue like a sticky note reminder until the new stack just becomes second nature. So some advanced stacking would be a habit chain. Once you've nailed one stack, you can build another chain. So like here's an example. After I get dressed, I fill my water, I log my breakfast, and I stretch for 2 minutes. This chain becomes your routine, and it happens on autopilot. But remember, don't build the whole tower on day 1. Nail the first block. Habit stacking is how you build consistency without depending on motivation. And it's how you turn small steps into permanent lifestyle changes. So, your action step. Write one habit stack you're going to implement this week. Just one. Start small, keep it simple, and then let it grow. And think, what's one thing I already do every day? And what's one small habit I want to add to my routine? And then the third thing would be, what will my stack look like? Let me know how it goes.